Hi everyone! Sharing my healthy delicious cinnamon roll recipe. I hope you try this too. I use wholemeal flour for a fiber-rich bread, but you can substitute it with the regular flour or whole wheat flour. The procedure is same in making buns. Mix all the ingredients and last is the milk. Slowly pour the milk until well combined. No mixer? No problem. You can knead by hand for 12 to 15 minutes, but by using a mixer, it will only take you around 8 minutes. Always do window pane test. Stretch the dough, and if it doesn't break, then the dough is ready to rise. Let the dough rise in a big bowl and cover for an hour or until double in size. Divide the dough into two. Roll out each dough into a rectangular. Spread the butter and sprinkle with sugar and cinnamon powder mixture. Roll the dough to make a log and cut it into 10 to 12 pieces. Do the same to the other dough. Then let it rise for another 30 minutes. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Once done, remove from the pan and let it cool down before topping it with vanilla buttercream. To make the vanilla buttercream, just simply beat the softened butter until it turns light in color. Then add confectioner's sugar and vanilla essence. The amount of sugar varies depending on your sweetness preference. For this recipe, I use 100 grams of butter, 3/4 cup of icing sugar, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. There you have it, deliciousness in every bite. Try it now!